In this video, I'll show you how to build momentum with small wins that lead to big results, and it can help you get out of debt for good. I'm Richard. I've been in the financial services industry for over a decade, and I'm your guide to navigate it. The Snowball strategy is a debt payoff method where you focus on paying off your smallest balance first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once that debt is gone, you move to the next smallest, and so on. As each debt disappears, your confidence grows, and so does the amount of money you can throw at the next one. It's not just about math, it's about motivation. Unlike the avalanche strategy, which focuses on interest rates, the snowball strategy is about quick wins. You'll often pay a bit more in interest, but in return, you get a faster emotional victory that keeps you going. If you struggled with staying motivated or sticking to a plan, this method gives you that psychological edge. And for a lot of people, staying consistent is what matters most. Here's how to do it. Step 1. List out all your debts, including balance, minimum payment, and interest rate. Step 2. Ignore the interest rate for now. Order them from smallest to largest balance. Step 3. Make minimum payments on all debts, except the smallest. Step 4. Throw every extra dollar you have at that smallest balance. Step 5. Once it's paid off, roll that full payment amount into the next debt on the list. Step 6. Repeat until you're completely debt-free. Each paid off debt gives you a sense of progress, and that keeps the snowball rolling. Let's go through a real-life example. And let's say you have credit card A with $800, credit card B with $2,000, and a personal loan for $5,000. You focus first on that $800 card. Throw an extra $200 on it and knock it out in just a few months. Now you take that $200 and add it to the minimum payment on your $2,000 card. Soon that's gone too. By the time you reach the biggest debt, your payment power is much stronger and the momentum is already on your side. You don't have to do this with paper and pencil. A variety of apps or even a simple spreadsheet can help you track balances, visualize your progress, set automatic reminders, keep your motivation front and center. The visual impact of seeing one debt after another disappear is a big part of why this method works so well. If you have any questions, reach out to us and our team will be happy to help. A few things can stall your snowball if you're not careful. Adding new debt. Don't swipe that card once it's paid off. Keep it zeroed out. Missing minimum payments. Always stay current to avoid fees and damage to your credit. Losing focus. Track your wins. Remind yourself why you're doing this. The key to success? Consistency over time. No backstepping, and stay committed. Let's recap the strategy. The snowball method pays off debts from smallest to largest balance. It gives you early wins to stay motivated. You make minimum payments on all debts, focusing extra money on the smallest. As you pay off each one, you roll that payment into the next. It's not the fastest on paper, but it's one of the most effective behavioral tools for real people. Discipline plus momentum equals success. If you're ready to roll your own debt snowball, reach out to us so we can help. I'll be the first to cheer you on. And remember, small wins add up, and one day that snowball will wipe your debt clean. Now, I know you got some value out of this. To improve your finances further, come check out my other videos.